Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike. 18 by 8 clopay Coachman cgu22 REC 14 top window, and we will take that sticker off. And we're still doing weather strip, as you can see. A couple pieces down there. Okay, this is a great install today. This door looks great. That threshold, I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Maybe toss it in the garbage or something, I don't know, but complemented with a WLED Chamberlain LiftMaster opener. Super uber quiet, and I'm going to take you inside and show you all the cool stuff we did. I'm going to close her up. We definitely changed the rollers. The clopay rollers got to go bye-bye. This door weighs way too much for those rollers. These are the 13 ball zinc nylon wheel, and something else we've noticed about these, the tire on the wheel is actually fatter. So this wheel is a Supreme roller. This is all we're going to be using. We lifted the tracks up approximately an inch off the floor to get maximum height. We bracket mounted the photo eyes. Okay, as you can see, this is a pretty trick garage here, so we did a really sweet, extra sweet job for the guy. We're going to clean up the windows there. There's some smudge marks from, it's really hot out today. It's like 90. I think it's 91 in this garage, it says 92. This opener's been in for like over 35 minutes. It says 92 in here. So it's even hotter than that outside, but you can see up top when we raise the door up, that extra inch is above the top. So in turn what that is, it raises all the tracks up, which in turn raises the door up higher, because usually on low headroom you lose a little bit, and this way we gain maximum height. Also, it was tight headroom, so I went with the double O's here. It's only about 14 inches, and I don't think that's quite, I think I might have been able to squeeze regular 15s in. I probably have to cut a couple inches and then manipulate the section, manipulate the opener. You could also see the opener with the 1 3/8 door. It was rubbing right there on the old joist, and we are only, and you can see here in the front, we're only about 3-4 inches down from where it used to be. And this door is 2 3/4 inch thick, not an 1 3/8. So it's the CGU with the overlayment. So you can see right here, that is a thick section, okay? That thing's thick. All 14 gauge hardware. We do have to use the shims here and there now. We pre-oil all the shims, all the shims, haha. We pre-oil all the hinges. That's extra quiet. We oil the ends of the rollers so it gets some good play in there, so the roller, you know, moves a little bit, doesn't stay put. Okay. We did center hangs. An absolute must for this. This is an 18 by 24 inch insulated glass panel. This thing weighs, it took 3 of us to get it up there. Not light at all. We still got the sidewinder hinges that we're using to center up the door. 4 struts on this one to balance it up. Got 295 40s, 2 5/8. Just some Whomper springs, and we split the shaft to make it look nice. Like I said, center hang, come down a little bit on the back side. And yes, we also center hung the opener. These belt drives are nice. When you center hang them, I got no worries, no issues here. So that's what we did. They're gonna put just the handles on the outside. I'll probably use that as the thumbnail picture. You still gotta plop the battery in. There's my new Porsche. You're fine. There's the battery. We're gonna plop that in next. Got the new Ryobi wind tunnel fan going. That saved the day here, just to move the air around in here. It's just so hot out. And I'll show you up here, this rail doesn't move an inch when it goes up. We'll raise it up, see. doesn't move at all. Usually with the heavier top sections, what happens is the opener bows down a little bit, maybe a little bit in front of that center hang. And what happens is when it bows down like that, I'm going to lower this door, okay?
Yes.
When it bows down like that, you're putting an extra wear on the trolley mechanism, and that'll wear out like sooner than it should. This is like a heavier door. I mean, it's 18 by 8, and it's in there. Even with that top glass insulated and it's balanced, it's still, this is a super uber heavy door. If you've got one of these bigger doors like this, do not mess with it. Call a professional for service. You can get seriously hurt or injured working on this. This thing is just a beast. This is, in my opinion, a light duty commercial door here. 18 by 8 with the way it's so thick and stuff and wound up. It's under severe tension. Don't want to be messing with this on your own. Call a professional. You get seriously hurt. Like I said, we're gonna get rid of this sticker right now. It is so hot out right now. Get this out of here. I'll put this right here for them if they wanna do anything else with it. That's it. 18 by 8 clopay Coachman cgu22 with REC 14 windows, insulated with a WLED Chamberlain liftmaster, 8-foot rail. Open sesame here, we're putting on the last little piece of the trim. I'm going to stop it right here. For garage door needs, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. If you're new, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment or like. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. There it is. You can watch other videos to see the overlayment detail. That's it. Thanks for watching. God bless you.